Hi guys, I wanted to do a real good detailed tutorial in YouTube about how to do annotations, because I was looking around and I didn't find any real detailed videos about this. So the way you do annotations is like they pop up with little windows at the end of the video referring you to other videos and reminding you to subscribe. So we'll hit edit. And over here, in screen and annotations, click that button. Alright, and here we are. Scroll down and see this little red line. As you move the marker where to start the annotation, it moves. So what I like to do is find out where I'm like signing off, and that's where I usually add my annotation. Okay, where I say that's it, back it up about here, add element, create, and this is the one you want to refer to other videos. You want to select it yourself, so you click that one, and we're going to choose adjust crooked video because it's also dealing with Adobe Premiere Pro. Create element. And now we can move it where we want. So I'll move it to this side. And now I'm going to add another element reminding the people to subscribe. Right here. Click this one. And that's a good spot for it. I'll leave it right there. And then you hit save. And you can add more annotations. Like, let me go grab another Adobe Premiere Pro right here, and this button, the bottom, and let's find another Adobe Premiere Pro video, another tutorial. Oh, I thought I had another one. Okay, there's more coming, guys, on that. I'll just do this one then. Best 4K player. Create element. And we'll move this one to the bottom. Like that, and hit save. Alright, now what we want to do is test it out. So this one is called How to Tell Premiere Pro Where to Start Recording, Stop Recording. Okay, we want to go back to Video Manager and find that video and jump to the end. Where is it? Oh, it's the top one. Okay, I just added that one. That's why it was there. Alright, so let's click on the video. And then we're going to jump to the end. About right there. Let's see what happens, guys. There it is. So click. You click the window and it brings you to the referred video. That's it. That's it. That's how you create annotations in YouTube. Alright, guys, leave your comments because I do love to read your comments from you guys, and I try to get back to everybody. As you can see, in this video I don't have too many views, so please come visit my channel. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, and catch you on the next upload.